there's wagon country. Back in the 1840s, there were all sorts of settlers just coming in and settling and driving their wagons around, and 3 children died of dysentery. Right here. Right here. Now, they're going to pave over that, but I told them it's a historic spot. I went to the government and I said, we need to honor those children. 3 children died of dysentery right there. We need a sign. We need a sign for that. Indians used to get up right in those trees, shoot right down at the settlers. Don't know why they did that. I guess they didn't take kindly to people. Settlers had to, well, they had to walk. About 5 children died right here. And we call these the weeping ferns because the tears of the children. I've been on this part. Not many people come down here. Shh. The Sasquatch is coming. Sasquatch berries. You could see these a mile away. A Sasquatch stick. Gotta have a good Sasquatch stick. Now, this was a logging road at one point. And the Sasquatch came. Gotta keep in shape for the Sasquatch. Ow! That hurts bad.